1. Start. Team Akhtar, Sub Inspector, Prosecution Witness, PW11, after recording statement of the complainant, sent the same through Ali Sher 69 over C to the police station for registration of formal FIR full stop. He then inspected the dead body of Muhammad Asif, deceased, prepared injury statement XPC and inquest report XPD. Full stop. He handed over the dead body to Ghulam Rasool 251 over C PW1 for escorting the same to the mortuary for post-mortem examination. Full stop. He inspected the place of occurrence, secured the blood-stained earth, made it into sealed parcel and secured the same through memo XCW 3 over A, attested by the witnesses. Full stop. He also secured two crime empties of 12 bore P-9 oblique 1-2, made them into sealed parcel and secured through memo XCW 3 over B, attested by the PWs, he also secured two crime empties of 30 bore P-10 oblique 1 and 2, made into sealed parcel and secured through memo XCW 3 over C, attested by the PWs. Full stop. He also recovered Bugda P11 and secured the same through recovery memo XCW 3 over D, attested by the PWs. Full stop. He also prepared rough site plan of place of occurrence XPJ. Full stop. He then proceeded to DHQ, hospital, Sahiwal, where Saddam Hussein, injured, stood admitted in the emergency. Full stop. He prepared his injury statement XPK and handed over the same to Ali Sher 69 over C to get Saddam Hussein medically examined. Full stop. After his medical examination, Ali Sher 69 over C produced blood stained clothes of Saddam Hussein, including shalwar P6, shirt P7 and safa P8, along with MLC number 1737, which he secured through memo XCW 1 over A, attested by the PWs. Full stop. He handed over the case property to the Muharrir for safe custody in the Malkhana. Full stop. New para. He conducted raids at the residences of the accused persons, but they could not be arrested. Full stop. On 26/9/2008, Ghulam Rasool 251 oblique C, after post-mortem examination of Muhammad Asif, deceased, produced before him last worn clothes of the deceased, including shirt P1, shalwar P2, along with a sealed fiel P3, which he secured through memo XPA, attested by the PWs. Ghulam Rasool 251 oblique C also produced before him post-mortem report and other police papers. Full stop. He handed over the above mentioned articles to Muharrir of police station. Full stop. on 17/10/2008, while on being patrolling duty, on spy information, he arrested Sadi Ahmed and Abdul Qayyum, accused persons from Adda 50/GD, on 18/10/2008, he obtained their physical remand on 21/10/2008, Abdul Qayyum appellant made a disclosure and got recovered pistol 30 bore P4, from his residential house, which the investigation officer made into sealed parcel and secured through recovery memo XPJ, attested by PW's on the same day, accused also made disclosure and led to the recovery of pistol 12 bore P5, from his residential house, which the investigation officer made into sealed parcel and secured through recovery memo XPH, attested by the PW's. He also prepared respective rough site plans of places of recoveries XPG/1 and XPH/1. He deposited the case property with Muharrir for safe custody and also registered separate cases against the appellant and his co-accused under Section 13 of the Arms Ordinance 1965. Full stop and closed.